Question number 11, 11001110 gray code to binary we have to convert the given number into gray to binary. First you can write the gray code. Here we have to perform one operation called as XOR operation. XOR is nothing but, for example, two inputs, one output, 00011011. If inputs are different, output is 1. If inputs are different, output is 1. If inputs are same, output is 0. That we are going to perform here. Gray to binary. First, this is MSB, most significant bit, that you can write as it is. MSB bit as is you can write. For the result and the next bit, you can perform the XOR operation. 1 XOR 1. What is the answer? 0. 1 XOR 1 is 0. 1 XOR 1 is 0. I am writing 0. 0. Again 0 XOR 0. For the result and the next bit, perform XOR operation. 0 XOR 0. 0 XOR 0. Result 0. Result 0. Again 0 XOR 0. Result 0. 0 XOR 1. 0 XOR 1. Result is 1. I am performing 1. I am writing 1 here. Again 1 XOR 1. 0. Same bits. 0 XOR 0. 0. This is gray to binary. This number is gray to binary. Similarly, if you want to convert binary to gray, reverse, if you want to check the answer, this bit as it is you can write, same as this one. MSB bit as it is you can write. And adjacent you can perform XOR operation. Adjacent you can perform XOR operation like this. 1 XOR 0. 1. 0 XOR 0. 0. 0 XOR 0. 0. 0 XOR 1. 1. 1 XOR 0. 1. 0 XOR 0. 0. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So our answer is correct. Then go to the second 12th one. 12th one. This is find error for the given Hamming code. This is 9-bit Hamming code. He was given 9-bit Hamming code. Actually, this is not short answer, long answer question. This may help for long answers also. 9-bit Hamming code he was given. Using odd parity, find the error. That is the question. Then I am writing 1 to 9 bits. He was given 9 bits. 1 to 9 I am writing. And all bits 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. I wrote all bits. Here parity locations are 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means first location. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2. Second location is parity. And 2 power 2 is a fourth location. Fourth location is a parity. Similarly 2 power 3. Eighth location is a parity. These are parity bits. Now for the 9 bit you can write corresponding binary. For the 9 bit 1 to 9 you can write P1, P2, P3, P4 you can write 4 parities and corresponding binary 1 binary 0001, 2 binary 0010 up to 9 you can write 1001. Then P1 is high at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. P1 is high at 13579. That you can take. Already 13579 bits are there. Those bits you can write. First location 1 is there. Third location 1 is there. Fifth location 0 is there. Seventh location 1 is there. Ninth location 1 is there. 11011. Here you can check the number of ones. Number of ones are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. 4 ones are there. But he was mentioned odd parity. Here even number of ones are there. 4 ones means even number of ones. But we need odd parity. So here there will be error. So you can write 1. You can write 1. Similarly, go to P2. P2 you can write. P2 locations you can verify. Where it is high. 2, 3, and 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. Write the bits 0, 1, 1, 1. 2 is 0. 3 is 1. 6 is 1. 7 is 1. Here number of ones are 3. 0, 1, 1, 1. Number of ones are 3. 3 is an odd number. Okay, there is no error. 0. 0 you can write. Then P3. P3 where is it is high? Where it is high? 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Those bits 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Here also number of ones are 3. Number of ones are 3. So odd. It is following. So no error. 0. Similarly P4. P4 is 8, 9. 8, 9. 8, 9. 8 is 0. 9 is 1. 0, 1. Again here number of ones are 1. Only 1 1 is there. 1 is odd number. There is no error. 0. Finally the error is P4, P3, P2, P1 you can write. P4, P3, P2, P1 you can write 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. First location. 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1. First location is having error. This is the first location. This is the first location. Here the number is 1. Here we have error. This is error location. If you want to correct it, replace 1 with a 0. That is a 12th answer. Hamming code. Then go to 13th. 13th is perform 9's complement for the given number. Perform 9's complement. Previously we discussed about binary complements. This is 9's complement. I am writing 72532. Here we have 5 bits. If he has not mentioned this, he can write 0. But in the question paper already he was mentioned as 03250. Equal number of bits are there. First point. Second is plus minus of this you can write. Where is the negative number that you can indicate like this? This is a negative number. For the negative number you can find the complement. Which complement? 9's complement. 9's complement of the number is subtract each digit from 9. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. So 03250 subtracting from 9. You will get this one. This is 9's complement. Add this to given 72532. 72532. 9 plus 2, 11. Someone carry 1. And 7, 8, 12. I am performing addition operation. Answer is 6. Here we are getting carry. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. One carry is there. This carry should be added. This is called end around carry. I already told you. This end around carry should be added in 9's complement and 1's complement. We have to add carry in 9's and 1's complement. In 10's and 2's complement, neglect the carry. Neglect the carry. Very important. Neglect the carry. Here carry should be added. So I am adding carry. This carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 8, 2, 9, 6. This is the answer. 69282. I am verifying answer like this. 72,532. 72532 minus 3250. If you subtract, you will get 69282. 69282. So answer is correct. Whatever the complement you are performing, answer should be same. This is for 13th answer. Then go to the 14th question. 14th question, simplify. Simplify or using Boolean laws. Simplify using Boolean laws into minimum number of literals or minimum number of variables. AB plus AB bar into AB whole bar was given. So I am multiplying with this number. AB into AB whole bar plus AB bar into AB whole bar. This is just like A into A bar. A into A bar is 0. AB into AB bar 0 plus AB bar into this is I am further simplifying this De Morgan's law. A bar plus B bar. AB whole bar is A bar plus B bar. I am multiplying AB bar into A bar plus AB bar into B bar. Again A bar is 0. Same formula. A bar is 0. 0 into B bar is 0 plus A B bar into B bar. Here B bar into B bar is B bar only. B bar only. So A into B bar. A into B bar. 0 plus A into B bar. A into B bar. This is simplified literal or simplified expression.